This is the Kellogg's naming scientist. Listen now as he tells us how he named the famous Kellogg's breakfast cereal.
We were like feeding information into the name brain, you know.
It's made by Kellogg's.
Oh.
It has the toastiest Kellogg's Bran flakes, the best of the Bran, mixed with the best, the sweetest California.
The brain wants to taste it. The name brain names it Kellogg's Raisin Bran. What else?
What else indeed says it better. The sweetest raisins and best bran flakes.
Wow! Wow, 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 wow. Kellogg's best to you.
That's Kellogg's Raisin Bran. Wow, 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 wow.